Hello guys, it's Mickey. Welcome to my channel, and if you're just new to my channel, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell so as to be notified each time there's an upload coming from me. So today I'll be talking about the book, still going over the book, but before then I need to follow the book. So please come get your copy. All right, it's fully available, and people that actually want to go into a spa, you want to know how to make your own facial mask instead of buying other people's facial mask. Your scrub from the scratch, your shower gel, your black soap shower gel, your whitening black soap, your glowing black soap, your butters. All right, they are all here. Moisturizers, base cream. All right, body butter cream base. Probably want to do that. They are all here. All right, so if you want to get it, the number will be displayed on the screen, so you guys can actually call the number or text the number. But I stop picking calls by 6 p.m. So you can actually just text or send a WhatsApp. I will gladly reply you. So well, let's go back to our business. Well, today's business, we're going to be talking about butters, because we stopped in black soap shower gel, or black soap turned into a shower gel. So body butter that we'll be talking about now. We have brightening body. We have different types of body butter. Now some people will be like, body butter doesn't work for me because you use it during the daytime. You don't use butters during the daytime because it contains oils. Even the butters itself, they are oils. Because if you put them under the heat now, they've turned to oil. So most times it's better to use them at night. Now don't say if you add whitening additives, they don't work. Irony, it works. All right, have you noticed that creams used at night works better, because your whole body is you're free. Some people even sleep naked, some people sleep half naked, and your body is relaxed. The AC, the fan, no stress, nothing, no sun, the review of the sun is not there to heat you up. So butters are used at night, so it's better to use them at night. I'm begging you. So people be like, hey, what if I use it during the daytime? There's no argument about it. I'm just letting you know. It's, most people ask irrelevant questions. That's not a relevant question. It's irrelevant. Someone has told you only at night. Stick to it only at night. If the thing doesn't now give you a good result, then you can query the person. But it's mostly used at night because of the heavy ingredients it contains. It contains oils, the base oils, either almond or either coconut oil. Those are heavy oils. Contains shea butter. Some of them might not even contain shea butter. It might contain cocoa butter. It's heavy. You can't use it during the daytime. All right, and we have butters for kids. Now butters can be used during the winter period, probably when it's cold. Like today I woke up and I was shivering. It's cold, so you can use butters at times like this, and you're not going out. Okay, we have whitening butter, we have lightening butter, we have different varieties of butters. You just have to know how to play with your actives when you're mixing butters. Know how to play with your actives, right? So we have facial creams in form of a butter as well. Yes, so people be like, is that possible? Yes, you have facial creams like that are butters, but most times they'll be made use of with beeswax. All right, so they are butters. They are meant for healing, for skin treatment, for repair of the face. Okay, not for dark spots actually, because some people are like, okay, which type of repair? More like if you're having more or less like melasma, it tends to repair melasma. Okay, so in our recipe too, we have lip balm, our pink lip balm. Now I would have showed you a picture of the pink lip balm to get. I might snap it and I'll put it on the screen so you guys would know the lip balm. It's darkish in color, so in case you probably you can't mix it with oil, because if you mix it with oil, it doesn't really form that state. So probably you could get the turn to page 57. You could get your glycerin here, the glycerin used here. You can add the powder into the glycerin, right? The pink lip powder into the glycerin to dissolve it, because the powder is it's like a magical powder. Immediately you pour it into water, it tends to, the color comes out. But if you pour it into oil, it doesn't do anything. All right, so if you pour it into glycerin is also like water, it's humectant. So if you pour it into glycerin, shake it up, more like mix it together, it tends to the color would come out quickly. Okay, so it's better to get that particular colorant. It's a color actually. It's better to get that because it's quite effective, because immediately you apply it on your lips, all right, it stays for a longer period. So when you use it consistently, it stains the skin and makes you have a natural pink lips. All right, so now we also, okay, so we're done with our butters. Hope you know pink lips also serve as like a balm, because pink lip balm also still serves as butter. People still prefer it as, oh, it's butter, because it's made with, you know, fine ingredients, really nice ingredients, which will help in glowing the lips, like keeping it moist because of the oil, and also brightening the lips because of the actives it contains, and also the colorant. All right, and it can be used at any time. There's no particular time it can be used. Now some people get to have scrub for pink lips because they probably want to make it a bit moist. I tend to sell scrub and the balm. The reason be that the scrub will help in making your lips a bit moist. Like during this winter period now, see how dried my lips is. I have to start licking and licking and licking for it to even still see that it's still pink lips, but I have to still, you know, because I don't want it to be all dried up. So if you're that kind of person that you have your pink lip scrub, it's not on a normal regular basis, but you know, just a little, you know, pinch a little there and just a bit, just keep it a big granules, you know, just to make it get the cracked ones out and apply the normal pink lips and give you a nice and shiny look. That's all. So I'll see you guys in my next review. All right, and when I talk about the book, I'll see you guys next. I don't want to overcrowd it, so you guys, okay, which one was she talking about, which one was she saying, so you guys will get, you know, you'll be fully engaged. All right, I'll see you guys some other time, and I love you guys, and I love my subscribers for subscribing till this time. It's not been easy. You guys have been following me for, I think, almost 2 years now. We're done. I have like die-hard fans that's just because they don't talk doesn't mean they're not there. They are there. They see you, they watch you. All right, Nikki, they see what you they do. So I'm really, really grateful. For the ones that are yet to join my YouTube fams, you're also welcome to my channel, and I love you like kilo day.